yakni benta jong khubor la wanras phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ka jilla Meghalaya hadu ka sawbaje janmiat jong ka khanru tarik unai tung kadon life wengut ki bayot ma yo COVID-19. Uba hek menteri ka kot ka khia jong ka jilla ula pentip hakinong pathai khubor banakini ki life wengut ki bayot mai arfun rengut ki sipai BSF uwei u armed forces na ribhai sangut ki reu pat ba hakaba laingut ki na is kasil sesrek bat uwei na ribhai dosrek. Ka jilla Meghalaya hadu papenmi yakni ka khubor kadon laispa nyong teli ki positive case hakaba laispa arfun reu teli ki ki active case. Sab khundai teli ki recovered case hadin arngut ki sipai BSF na is kasils ki lakot no mentakasni but arngut ki laklat no.
Today we have got 31 new positive cases.
31.
Life away. Mentakasni ilayo life away tli ki positive case. Out of this 31, the BSF is 26, that is only in East RiKhasi Hills. The armed forces of Ribhoi district, we have only one. And the others, 4, 3 in East RiKhasi Hills and 1 in Ribhoi district. Take the total active case. The total active case till today, the 16th July, there are 326 active cases of the COVID-19 in our state. Recovered till today are 49. The number of samples sent for testing, there are 25,744. The number of persons tested negative till today, there are 24,987. Those are waiting for the result. Till today, there are 380.